What number decreased by 1/5 of itself equal to 28? A number decreased by 1/5 of itself is 28. Okay, when I have sum or subtraction of fractions, I need to put in the same denominator the least common multiple between, in this case, 1 and 5. That is 5. And you divide by the denominator and multiply by the numerator. 5 divided by 1 is 5 times x is 5x. Minus 5 divided by 5 is 1 times 1x is x. 5x minus x is 4x. 28, I'll pass 5 multiplying. Before you create a larger number multiplying, check if you can simplify the numbers. 28 is divisible by 4, is 7. 7 times 5 is 35.